Hey guys, T here. This file is dull, and I'm going to try to sharpen it using a method I've seen some people do with acid. They put the file in sulfuric acid or muriatic acid, and they let it sit for a while. And theoretically, it sharpens the file up. I'm not exactly sure why it doesn't take the point off, but we're going to try it. Now, we're not going to use those harsh acids. We're going to use household vinegar. It's an acid. It's pretty mild. It's the one that you probably use in salad dressing. So do I. But we're going to try that. Now, we may have to let the file sit in there for quite a while, maybe 8, 10 hours, maybe overnight. But we're going to see if this helps. So please subscribe, guys, if you will. Hit the bell for notification. Let's get sharp. Here's some dull files. Unfortunately, they bounce around in a tool bag and they get scarred up. You can see where this file is dull. You can see that shiny part there. I don't know what I was trying to file there. Maybe some steel that was pretty hard, but it sure dulled the file. Here's an old file card we're going to use to clean this out, as well as using some wire brushes. Here's our dull file. I'm going to just see how this feels. Well, it cuts, and I think it cuts because it's a lot harder than the steel we're trying to cut. But we're going to try this very same file again and see if I can feel the difference. I don't know that you can see the difference. Just 5%. You can see bubbles. So we'll neutralize this this acid, this vinegar acid, and then we're going to dry this off and put some WD-40 on it. Here's our test file that we tried before when it was dull. The surprising thing to me is it still looks like it's got a lot of rust up here, which I would have thought that vinegar would have just taken right off. Let's see if we can see any or feel any difference here. Boy, I don't know. Maybe I just want to feel a difference. I can't tell. Let's try it on a hard piece of steel. There's an old spade bit. Steel's pretty hard on this. Let's see what we can do with this. Actually, it's cutting pretty good. Well, I see some improvement. I don't see 100% improvement, but I do see some improvement. Maybe using sulfuric acid and some real harsh chemicals would see more results than what I'm seeing here. But I think this is worthwhile. The surprising thing is that I see rust here. I would have thought the vinegar would have taken that rust right off. Now I know if you clean this stuff up real good and then leave it out in the air that you'll get rust quickly. But I guess I thought I got the WD-40 on it fast enough to get rid of that rust. Maybe not. That's a video for next time. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.